Alright guys, in today's video we're just going to go over why headliners sag and the common cause behind it. So what you're looking at here is a headliner board with the fabric being taken off. So behind the fabric you have a layer of foam, and what you're looking at right now is the orange foam. It goes all crumbly and brittle, and that's what makes the headliner material sag and fall away from the headliner board. So it's not so much of a glue issue, it's more of just the foam just gets old and brittle after about 10 to 15 years, and it crumbles away, and then it just kind of just makes it unstick. So you can see here how that's the after finish, because that's been replaced with brand new material. That's why you can never re-stick the old material back, because if you hit glue onto that back of that material now, you'll just get a glue stain because there's no foam backing on there. So normally headliner material comes out as a foam backed fabric, and that foam layer is a bit of a shield so the glue can hit the foam and not seep through and give off that visible stain on the visible side of the material. So here you can see how it's very common to see the headliner material sag at the front, and then the whole lot in the middle just droops down. I do hear from customers sometimes this can happen as soon as it gives a sign that it's sagging. It can just accelerate and happen within a few weeks. Other times customers may have just a slight sag at the front for about 1 or 2 years. So it all depends on some factors that can accelerate the issue, which can be smoking, but smoking's more like it will just stain the material or maybe even leave an odor in your car. It's not so much the breaking down of the actual foam and making it fall down, it's more heat related. So if your car has a common history of just being parked out in the sun a lot, maybe it's come from a state that's experiencing a lot of high temperatures, like if you're in Australia here, the Northern Territory or top of Queensland, all those areas, you're going to have the issue happen much faster than if your car was originally purchased and stayed, say, in Melbourne or Adelaide, where it's much more colder, because it's definitely heat related. So as the car warms up over time, the foam just gets old, gets brittle, and then detaches itself from the headlining board, and that's what makes the fabric fall down. It's just got nowhere to grip no more, and it kind of just falls away from the headliner board, as you can see here. So save yourself some money, guys. Don't go out and buy that can of glue and spray it on your old existing material. Make sure you take that off, that goes in a bin, and then spray that new glue to new material, and then that will give you that clean finish we're looking at right now. If you're looking for like a temporary quick fix solution, just use drawing pins or staples. We've done several videos on our channel, so make sure you check that out if you want to know those steps. Otherwise, if you're looking for the steps on how to recover a car headliner, we will have an ebook in the description below called Headlining Secrets. And get your hands on that. They'll go all in depth about how to do a car headliner repair yourself. Otherwise, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Cheers.